In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and view flagged emails in Outlook. Flagged emails are perfect for tracking follow-ups and staying on top of priorities, and Outlook gives you a few fast ways to surface them when you need them. We'll start in the classic Outlook desktop app, then I'll show you where to find the same things in the new Outlook experience. First, open the classic Outlook app and head to your inbox, or any folder where you want to focus. On the Home tab, look for Filter Email, sometimes labeled simply Filter. Click it, then choose Flagged. Instantly, your view narrows to only the messages you've flagged. This is great when you want a clean list of items that need attention without distractions from everything else. When you're done reviewing, remember that you can turn the filter off to return to your full mailbox view so you don't accidentally miss new, unflagged messages. If you want more control over how your flagged messages are arranged, you can sort and group them by status. In the same folder, move your mouse to the column header bar where you see headings like Subject or From, then right-click. Choose Arrange By, and select Flag Status for a simple grouped view. If you rely on timelines, pick Flag, Start Date or Flag, Due Date instead. This organizes your emails into clear sections, making it easy to see what's upcoming and what's overdue. Grouping like this can turn a long, cluttered folder into a set of manageable lists, and you can quickly scan or expand the groups that matter most. Now, if you're using the new Outlook, there's a handy place to see flagged emails alongside your tasks. Go to the View tab, open To-Do bar, and select Tasks to enable the sidebar. Then, at the top, click the To-Do tab and choose Flagged Emails. This pulls in your flagged messages so they're always visible while you work, without jumping between folders. It's especially helpful if you like to process emails and tasks together. You can review, open, and follow up from one place, and it keeps your priorities front and center throughout the day. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.